जाओ. What is the one thing you want to take with you or Germany from India?
Yeah. I take three things.
Three things.
1, 2, 3.
Reverse. Yeah, return. I can see this picture.
Okay.
Take with you in Germany from India.
I take 3 good experiences.
चलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू ब्लॉग. आज हमारे साथ जर्नी में इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर है, वो जर्मनी से है. वो उनका इंट्रो देंगे और भाई आप देखना विच वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंट्रो. सर इज दिस हियर. हेलो सर.
Hello.
वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम सर?
I'm from Germany. Where are you from?
आई एम फ्रॉम MP, Ujjain.
Okay. Where are you going?
I am going Madurai.
Okay. I'm going to Villupuram.
He go to Villupuram. And where is going there?
A friend lives there.
ये अपने दोस्तों के साथ है. And you like India?
India is a fabulous country. I love it. Very nice India. I love
Very
it.
nice India. Yeah. How are your experience in India?
Very 8th time I'm in India.
8 बार इंडिया में आ चुके हैं. And where are you members this?
I remember a lot about India. 8th time now India.
8th time now India. Okay. ये काटना पड़ेगा.
What do you like about India?
What did like about in India?
I like the food and I like the people and I like many sites. I visited a lot.
Where is the culture of India?
Which culture?
Yeah, which culture?
I like the temples, you know, and I like cities. And I like culture. I like talking to people. Very social.
Very
I like
social.
family.
Right.
And I like spirituality. Ritual.
बात करने के तरीके भी इनके बहुत अच्छे हैं. Want to take with you in Germany from India.
I take 3 things back from India to Germany.
Yes.
You, and you.
Okay. Thank you.
And I take you to my school.
Okay, I have never used it. तो वहाँ पे भी vlog बनाएंगे.
Okay. Thank
नमस्ते.
you. Radhe Radhe.
Namaste.
Namaste.